Welcome to the Hostinger coupon code channel. If you are new to Hostinger and actively searching for the best discount available, this video will show you exactly how to maximize your savings on any Hostinger hosting plan. In today's tutorial, I'll be demonstrating with Hostinger's business hosting package, but the same discount applies to any hosting plan you choose, whether it's shared hosting, cloud hosting, or VPS. The key advantage I am offering here is access to my exclusive partnership link with Hostinger, which provides an additional 20% discount on your purchase. This is significantly better than standard coupon codes you might find online, which typically offer only 10% off. Let me break down the pricing difference for you. I'm currently displaying prices in Indian rupees, but you can easily switch to US dollars or any other currency on Hostinger's website. The discount percentage remains consistent regardless of your currency. For this example, I've selected a 48-month billing cycle, and with this purchase, you'll receive a complimentary domain name plus 3 additional months of hosting absolutely free. Understanding the long-term value is crucial here. Let me share a practical example. When I purchased business web hosting, my first year cost was $41. However, upon renewal after that first year, the price increased to approximately $95. Now, consider this alternative scenario. If I had initially committed to a 4-year plan, my total investment would have been just $108 for the entire 4-year period. That's a substantial difference in cost effectiveness, which is why I strongly recommend selecting the longest duration available to secure maximum savings. Here's your step-by-step process. Click the link provided in the description section below, which is also pinned in the comments for easy access. This link will direct you to Hostinger's official website where you'll see the special partnership pricing. You can browse through the available plans by scrolling down the page or navigate to the services menu in the top navigation bar. Select the hosting plan that best matches your requirements. While I am choosing the business plan for this demonstration, every plan qualifies for the same 20% extra discount. An important recommendation for the best results: use a new email address that hasn't been previously registered with Hostinger. This ensures you are eligible for new customer benefits and the full discount. Regarding the currency displayed, don't be concerned that I am showing rupees in this video. The discount structure is universal, and when you convert to your preferred currency, the proportional savings remain identical. Finally, please note that I've included two separate checkout links in the description. One link is optimized for customers in India, while the other is designed for customers in the USA and other international locations. Select the appropriate link based on your geographical location. Proceed with your purchase and enjoy your Hostinger hosting at the best possible price. Thank you for watching.